Have you been looking for a spacious home in a small community in the Fountain Inn, Simpsonville area? Today, we're going to take a tour of the Lansford floor plan by Toll Brothers right here in Parklynn Hill Subdivision in Fountain Inn, South Carolina. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people with residential real estate right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate, South Carolina area. And that includes Greenville, Spartanburg, Greer, Simpsonville, Fountain Inn, Anderson, and all the cities and towns in between. Now, the Lansford is a 3,280 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathroom home. It does have a 3-car garage. This particular one is listed for $597,900. It's open floor plan with quartz countertops in the kitchen. Master bedroom is on the main level. There's a covered patio out back. This community of Parklynn Hills has about 90 home sites in it. It's a cement board siding neighborhood, so there are no vinyl siding here. Less than 1 minute from the Carolina Springs Golf Course. The downtown Fountain Inn is about 5 minutes away. Simpsonville is about 10 minutes away. It's about 26 minutes from downtown Greenville. This community is zoned to some sought-after schools in the area. The builder, Toll Brothers, is currently offering up to $7,500 in closing costs to help get your closing costs paid. Well, let's go inside and take a look at this one and see what you think. Come on in. Beautiful, isn't it? I especially love all the natural light that comes into this home. If you are interested in this new construction home or any other new construction homes for sale in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.